Wait, where is my theme song? I want y'all to hear it. Cameron butter, Cameron fish. Now sweet Adjeley bow. Five milk banana. Ow, sweet madam. Ah, pizza. Sweet Adjeley. Gaga, gogo, gaga, gogo, gaga.
Hello, sweet team. Welcome back to my channel. This is Sweet Adjeley. I am so excited to see you all today.
Hello, sweet team. Welcome back to my channel. She's so adorable. She's just such a lady. You can tell from her videos. Well, the real sweet team fan, please stand up. This video is dedicated to Sweet Adjeley. Sweet team, I am a fan of Sweet team. I am a subscriber of Adjeley. Today I decided to make her bread, her Ghana bread, and it hit me. You know what? Let me record this because I have no way of showing her unless I post a picture on IG, on Instagram, in her DM, which is a direct messenger or direct message, whatever we call that, DM. Unless I share the picture there, then she'll see that I made her bread. But I had this idea. Why don't I just record a portion of me making the bread while I'm watching her make the bread on my phone? So I recorded me basically making Sweet Adjeley's bread. And guys, I could not, this is what's left of it, I could not stop eating it. I know she said if you push it and it bounces back, you've passed. So Adjeley, did I pass? Are we bouncing back? Yes, we are. Okay, so I guess I passed. But y'all, her recipe is the best. The sugar content is just perfect. But I love sweet, so I think I put 2/4 cups of sugar. And she called for just 1/4 cup of sugar. I love Kwanchiwas, Obapa, Sweet Adjeley, Nana Ba. Yo, my sisters, y'all killing it, hanging there. Keep working hard, keep doing great. It's gonna pay off, y'all. So I just wanted to give a shout out to all my sisters that are cooking, sisters that are doing makeup, sisters that are doing hair. Everybody that's just trying so hard on YouTube and killing it, y'all. We're gonna get there. We're gonna make it. I know I am. I'm excited about my future. So